Question 4 in Destination Maths, page 518. So question 4 asks you, 60% of a sample of 500 people leaving a shopping centre claim to have spent over €25. What is the sample size? What is the sample proportion p hat? What is the margin of error to 2 decimal places? And find the 95% confidence interval. Okay, so what is the sample size? We can see directly that the sample size there is 500. What is the sample proportion? In this case, they've actually given you the sample proportion and they've given it to you as a percentage. It's 60%. So again, the sample size in part 1 is just read directly from the question, which is 500. The sample proportion has already been done for you. They tell you it is 60%, so you don't have to calculate it. So in this case, the sample proportion p hat is 60%. Or if you're going to work with decimals, we leave it as 0.6. So they basically mean the same thing. And all you have to do is make sure you either have everything in percentages or everything in decimals. Next bit is the margin of error. So you know your formula now. 1 all over the square root of n, where n is the sample size. So 1 all over the square root of 500 gives you 0.0447 to 2 decimal places 0.04. That's quite a low margin of error. So there's a lot of people being sampled in this survey about the supermarket shopping. 500 is quite a lot. So there's quite a low error of 0.04. That's 4%. That's pretty good. So then they ask you for the 95% interval, confidence interval. Again, the only confidence interval we do is this one. So you need to know your formula. So this is the true proportion, okay? The population here, the true population. So you're wondering, if I survey 500 people from a supermarket to find out do they spend more than €25, can I say that's true for the whole population? And that's what we're trying to find out here. So this is like the whole population. So your formula, p hat, I forgot my hat, p hat minus the margin of error, p hat plus the margin of error. Okay, so your p hat is worked out up here, 0.6, minus our margin of error, 0.04, pop it in there. Again, p hat, 0.6, we worked it out here, plus the margin of error, 0.04. So we work it out with your calculator. 0.56 is less than, the true population is less than 0.64. So what does that mean? We are fairly confident that the percentage of people who spend over €25 in a supermarket for the whole population is somewhere between these two numbers, somewhere between 0.56 and 0.64. And again, 95 confidence interval is the only one that they will ask you for. And we always do this for the 95% confidence interval.